a company that's been around for almost 15 years. We have 10,000 customers in a variety of different industries. We have very large, multi-billion-dollar customers who use our technology every day, and we have very small mom-and-pop type businesses that use our technology every day. What we bring to the table because of that is a very wide vision of supply chain. We have seen very, very sophisticated supply chains, and we have seen no supply chain, and everything in between. So when we come into the healthcare space, and we have of those 10,000 customers, over 500 of them are in the healthcare space today, we bring a very unique perspective to it. The unique perspective that we bring is we've seen it all, and we can handle the most complicated supply chain issues that are out there. So if it's a hospital that's doing self-distribution, they might have supply chain issues that we need to worry about. But if it's the bulk of the hospitals that are out there that have outsourced it to their distributor, then simplify, 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 and find ways to be able to do this in a way that the staff will adopt it because it's easy for them to do, and do it in a way that it doesn't cost you millions of dollars and thousands of consulting hours in order to make it happen. The biggest issue in healthcare that we want to solve is cost. Let's face it, that's the topic that everybody's talking about today, is how much our healthcare system costs. Costs us as consumers of healthcare and costs the healthcare industry themselves. So when we looked at this space, we actually looked at it and said, we think we can make a mark, and we think we can make a mark by helping drive a lot of the costs out of the healthcare system. We think that hospitals today are spending too much money on IT. We think that hospitals today are mismanaging their inventory, not because of a lack of effort, but because of a lack of the proper tools. We think when you look at things like the cloud, which obviously we're a cloud-based application, and you look at this from an IT perspective, and you look at the amount of money that an IT organization needs to spend managing servers, managing upgrades to software on those servers, paying the software vendors for those, paying the consultants to come in and manage all of that. Huge, huge dollars associated with that. We've seen many mobile supply chain applications come into a hospital and take thousands of hours of consulting time to get up and going, hundreds of thousands of dollars to get up and going, and that's all wasted money. There's no reason why you can't get an inventory management system up and running in a hospital in a week or two, in some cases in a day or two, depending on the size of your facility and the sophistication of it. So when I'm talking about costs, I'm not just talking about let's cut 25% of their inventory dollars out, but let's take a look at the overall costs of software and eliminate the software, put it all in the cloud, and let us manage that and have a single manageable subscription price for those customers. At the end of the day, cost is really what we're going to be able to impact.